Hey guys, Ed here. Today I have this 2021 Nissan Kicks, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to change your headlight bulbs in this car. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. Over here we have a latch. Pull the latch, and another latch is right here. Move it to the left. The yellow latch, move it to the left, then find the stand right here and secure it. Okay, so I'm going to show you on this driver's side. So let's start. This one will be your turn signal right here. High beam is right here, and low beam, you need some light. Let me get a flashlight. So I got the flashlight, and low beam is right here. So how do we replace this? So turn signal, you should just pull this here, the red piece, pull it, press, and disconnect the connector. After that we'll be able to just spin this, and to remove the bulb you're just gonna pull it off with your fingers. Okay, just like this, get it out. Okay, to put it back on, just connect it. It should be till it clicks. Okay, should be fine. Put the red pin back in place, and over here just get it in, secure it, make sure it's tight, and you're all set. Over here the high beam is a little bit different. It's gonna be same like low beam. I'm gonna show you here because it's a little bit more comfortable to film. So just spin it, get the bulb out. With the other hand just press here, and with the other hand you can pull it off, so like this. So you're gonna take this pin, pull on it, and get the bulb out like this. Very simple. Okay, this is H9 bulb, so when you're gonna buy one, it's gonna be H9. When you have the new bulb, which you can buy at parts store and everywhere, just click it in till it clicks, find the exact correct position like this, and spin it till it clicks in. That's it. Same thing is with the low beam. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.